Hello ladies and gentlemen, what's up? It's Papa Bale and welcome to the channel. Currently, today, actually I just got these in the mail from the K Energy store. This is an SSG circuit, and this is the combo circuit, and they're separate. It's pretty cool, and I just want to say thank you to Kevin from K Energy. I really appreciate this. It's going to open up a few doors for me. Being able to, well, I mean, now I have 4 circuits. It's basically, because he sent me a switch too, to basically patch up one of my circuits that he made for me earlier. So then that means I'll have 4 capable SSG circuits with generator mode. This one won't have generator mode, but I like running SSG too, so I could just run all 4 of them in SG mode. There's just a lot more experiments that are available now. So let's take a look at the circuitry here. And then we'll plug it in, we'll take it for a spin. SSG. So you got your input, output, or no, just your input, coil input on this side. Coil input for the first 4. Then your resistor. Then you got your wires over here connecting all that to the transistor input, which is right here. And then you got your power input and your output. So really all I need to do is put a red wire and a positive for the in and out, and put a black wire and a negative for the in and out. And that one will be good because then the coil will just go in to the slot. Perfect. That's awesome. All right, so the first one, I'm going to hook up the SG. I'm going to hook it up to that coil. 777 turns of 24 gauge, 32 gauge, and 32 gauge. I have 24 and a 32 gauge strand in series, and one 32 gauge strand for the trigger. But I could change that and have a trifilar strand. I might do that. Then I got a 9 magnet rotor here. So that means when they're at 180 degrees, they're set and offset. And it's like there's not a magnet right here, but there is over there. And if we do this, looks like there's a lot more pull over on the other side. And then I don't know about putting the duct tape on the magnets. It seems like there's aluminum in the duct tape. I think there's like some sort of substance in the duct tape that yokes the magnets a little bit. It's actually quite a lot. All right, so all right, I'm gonna hook this up and I'll be right back. All right, well, we're back, and I hooked up the SG, the Solo SG version of the SG combo. So we got the SG version, SSG, and then we've got the combo version, the generator mode, on separate boards. That's pretty sweet. All right, let's see what we got. Oh, first startup, no light. We got no light. That's awesome. We're hooked up to the battery for the output. And right now I'm running bench power supply for the input. 16 gauge coil. 26 gauge trigger. We're pulling an amp, so that's like a lot. So I'm going to cut it off. And probably hook it up with a smaller coil. But yeah, I mean, you heard it running. It's running smooth. I will hook up a pot. It's right there. And we'll get a number. But I don't have a bunch of different resistors. It came with this one. I did have a bigger one that I put in there. It didn't like it the way it was, so I had to move things around, but it works like a charm now. There's 2 extra pegs here that aren't in the other one that I have. So I had to figure out how to use those, and as soon as I did that, everything fell into place. Very cool. This this thing right here, awesome. Awesome. And that's the battery. But like I said, we're pulling like an amp. So cut that back, hook up a different coil. Very neat. So, and that was our first run. First try, very good. Oh, I like it when things work right off the bat. Look at how fast that battery is charging up. So that brings me to my relay. I want to have, battery swap go on, but I want to have an anti-phase where the motor is just running, where the wheel's just spinning, but the whole thing is off. Just to, I don't even know what the effect of that would be actually. But when the batteries are new, they have a tendency to go up a little bit when you turn them off. So, just with that in mind. So that's it right there. SSG, K Energy Store. Hit them up. He'll hook you up with an awesome circuit. All right. Thank you very much. Peace out. Have a wonderful night. Bye now. Oh, I'm not going to be able to use the heat sinks because I don't know what size screw to set them. So if somebody could drop me a line on what size screw to use, I can pick some up. All right. Thanks. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.